seat back or leadership pocket in front of you. To fasten your seatbelts, you're going to slide the flat end into the buckle, pull the loose strap to tighten, to release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and wear it anytime you are seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, you're going to use life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. You're going to place that vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull to tighten. Once you're outside the aircraft, you're going to pull down the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, you can blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We're coming out to check that your seatbelts are fastened. Your seatback and tray tables are in their full upright long position, and your carry-on items are completely underneath the seat in front of you or an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatory. The use of charging of electronic cigarettes is prohibited. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume any alcohol that you have brought with you on this flight. Federal aviation regulation requires passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. If needed, for oxygen mask will drop in the compartment overhead. To activate flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. You're going to place that mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. You can secure the mask with the elastic straps. Although oxygen will be flowing, that plastic bag may not inflate. You're going to continue wearing that mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, we ask that you put on your mask first. Also, please remove any face coverage before donning an oxygen mask. We're here for your comfort and safety, so please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Thank you for your attention. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your 36-minute flight over to Dallas. Welcome aboard. I'm also going to dim the cabin lights. If you need any additional ring light, there is a button above your head with the shape of a light bulb on it. Clear for departure. Please double check your seatbelts and enjoy your flight.